Welcome to the Grammar Mentor channel. How to improve your English speaking skills. Hi everyone. Welcome back to the Grammar Mentor channel. If you want to speak English confidently and fluently, you're in the right place. Many learners know the rules but struggle to actually speak. So today, I'll share powerful and practical tips that really work. No boring lectures, just real strategies you can use today. So grab your notebook and let's get started. And don't forget to subscribe if you love improving your English with me. Understand why you're not speaking well. First, let's understand the biggest reason people struggle to speak. It's not because you don't know enough words. It's because white heavy checkmark you lack practice. White heavy checkmark you fear making mistakes. White heavy checkmark you translate from your native language. White heavy checkmark you don't think in English. So our goal is to break these habits, step by step. Ready? Let's go. Tip number 1, speak every day. Tip number 1, speak every single day. You can't get fluent if you only listen or read. You must speak. White heavy checkmark talk to yourself in English when you're alone. White heavy checkmark describe what you're doing. I am making tea. White heavy checkmark use your phone to record your voice, then listen and improve. Example, let's try it now. Repeat after me. I want to improve my English. I want to improve my English. Every day, I will practice speaking. Every day, I will practice speaking. Mistakes help me grow. Mistakes help me grow. Say these aloud. If you did, you're already improving. Tip number 2, learn phrases, not single words. Tip number 2, learn phrases, not just single words. When you learn depend, also learn depend on. When you learn afraid, learn afraid of. Use ready-made chunks. White heavy checkmark, how's it going, instead of, how are you? White heavy checkmark, could you help me out, instead of, help me. It sounds natural and you speak faster. Tip number 3, think in English. Tip number 3, train your mind to think in English. Translating wastes time and makes you hesitate. Try this. White heavy checkmark, look at an object and name it in English. Chair, bottle, phone. White heavy checkmark, make short sentences in your head. This is my phone. It's black. It's on my desk. White heavy checkmark, narrate your day. I'm going to work. I need my keys. I'm taking the bus. This simple habit rewires your brain to speak faster and more naturally. Tip number 4, use shadowing. Tip number 4, shadowing. This is my favorite technique. White heavy checkmark, listen to native speakers, movies, podcasts, YouTube. White heavy checkmark, repeat immediately after them. Copy their speed, tone, and rhythm. White heavy checkmark, don't worry if you don't understand every word. Focus on flow. Example, let's try together. Repeat after me naturally. What do you think about it? What's going on? I'll get back to you. Mimic exactly how I say it. Do this daily, it works wonders. Tip number 5, record yourself. Tip number 5, record yourself speaking. It's scary but so helpful. White heavy checkmark, pick a topic. Your day, your plans, your favorite movie. White heavy checkmark, speak for 1 minute. White heavy checkmark, listen, note mistakes or words you hesitate on. White heavy checkmark, try again, get better each time. This builds confidence fast. Tip number 6, join speaking communities. Tip number 6, practice with real people. White heavy checkmark, join English speaking clubs online. White heavy checkmark, use apps like Tandem, HelloTalk, or Speaky. White heavy checkmark, find a study partner, practice together 10 minutes daily. Speaking with real people pushes you out of your comfort zone. That's how you grow. Tip number 7, copy real conversations. Tip number 7, use real-life dialogues. White heavy checkmark, watch short scenes from movies or series. White heavy checkmark, copy exactly how the actors speak, tone, speed, emotion. White heavy checkmark, practice small conversations. Hey, what's up? Not much, you. Wanna grab coffee? This makes you sound natural, not robotic. Daily practice routine. Now, here's a simple daily routine you can follow. Spire calendar 10 minutes. Shadow a video or podcast. Spire calendar 5 minutes. Talk to yourself. Describe your day. Spiral calendar 5 minutes. Record yourself speaking. Spiral calendar 10 minutes. Practice with a partner or speaking app. Just 30 minutes a day and your speaking will transform. Final motivation and call to action. Remember, fluency doesn't come overnight, but daily practice guarantees progress. So promise yourself, no excuses. Just speak. Make mistakes. Learn. Improve. White heavy checkmark. Comment below. Which tip will you try first? White heavy checkmark. Like this video if you found it useful. White heavy checkmark. Subscribe for more practical English lessons, new videos every week. Thanks for watching, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next one. You can do this. Bye for now.